All right, Wayne, so we're working on the inside interior. How is it?
It's great. I was supposed to do inside and out, but it started raining. And it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we're just gonna do the inside, but the price was my friend's price, NorCal Detailing. He sent me this detail. Like I said before, we have a team of detailers that we take care of each other. So he couldn't get to this one, and my detail didn't start till 2 p.m. So I was able to squeeze this in at 7 a.m. You know, it's just a blessing for somebody to trust you and to send you something. And also shout out to Wet Paint. They send me work, and shout out to all the people all in different states that get Sacramento details, and they send them to me, and I don't know who it is, and they don't even know. And they're just like, yeah, somebody suggested you or referred you. So I just want to say I appreciate everybody. People that even send my info to somebody, even if they don't book, just you even considering my services to somebody else is a blessing. So I appreciate you guys.
Now, clean the inside. What chemical do you use?
Stain Hunter.
Stain Hunter.
Yeah.
Is that what you're using right now?
Yeah, that's what I use every time. Yep, I use Stain Hunter.
So wait, people want to know, man, it's been like a year already.
Yeah, it's been like a year, because when it comes to greatness, you can't rush it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I talked about it. Yeah, I said it was coming out, and I'm in no rush. I've learned to be patient. The word says be anxious for nothing, but by prayer and supplication, make your request be made known to God. The Lord has been working on me with being anxious to do things. It began to stress me out. I began to look at other people's walks and stuff, and it'll hinder your growth because you're so focused on getting there, but you got to enjoy the process. The whole point of all this is to enjoy the people along the way, to build relationships, to serve people, to love one another. And if you miss that and you're so focused on the vision, then you just missed it all. Like, you missed your purpose, you missed the growth, you missed everything along the way. So keep that in mind.
All right, Wayne, so I see you using a lot of tools.
Oh yeah.
What's your process like right now?
We gotta stay armored up, man. We gotta stay with artillery, our spiritual warfare, our spiritual artillery most of all. But anyways, I like to pull out everything just in case I need it. From the air compressor, the tornador, from the steamer, to the brush, to the chemicals, to the scrub ninja, to the towels, to the pet hair brush, to everything I need. I got it out here. Whether I need it or not, I pull it out, because if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready, right? I ain't gotta get up, back and forth, so I have it all, you know? Let me know how you guys go about it. You know, do you pull it out as you run across a problem, or do you pull it all out? You know, let me know.
Yo, Wayne, does it have a lot of dog hair?
Nah, it wasn't a lot. It was more of stuff stuck in deep within the carpets. That was the hardest. But other than that, not much dog hair.
Nah, I see a whole bunch of stuff right there. Will it pick up easy?
What's that stuff?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I've already shampooed it, so it picked it up out of inside the carpet. So it should be easy to get up. That's the part that takes really the longest, really, is working with that carpet.
For people that don't know, what type of carpet is this?
I don't know the name of it. You just know it by when you look at it.
Seems like a lot of stuff gets stuck in it.
Right, when you see it, you're like, you just know by visual. More of the higher end cars, like the Mercedes and the Audis and stuff like that, you don't really deal with those problems. But when you start seeing this kind of carpet with these not really luxury cars, I see that. But you know, that's from my experience. I may be wrong, but that's what I've noticed.
Hey, Wayne, so there's a stain right there. You see it?
No, I see all stains, Reyes. Sometimes you just gotta leave some, man, because they didn't pay for it, Reyes. I'm just playing.
So this one right there, what is that?
I'll try some adhesive to try to see if I can get it off. It looks like some paint or fingernail polish or lipstick or something, bro.
Do you feel like you can already tell what stains will come out easy and what you need to remove stains? Most of the time. Most of the time I can look at it and tell, but there's been some times where I thought I wasn't able to get it up. So I still ran into some stuff that is challenging, and I have to call a couple friends to figure some stuff out. What's the hardest thing to remove? That paint right there? Makeup, gum? What would you say? I wouldn't put any name on either one, because you may get some gum that you can't get up. You may get some paint you can't get up. You may, like, they've all been a factor, you know? All right, Wayne, what's the finishing touches? Shoot, just checking over what I left. Just going over the detail, the final looks. And that's pretty much it. Really nothing much else to do. Check it out. That's a wrap, you guys, for this detail. Headed to the next detail at the shop. And then I have 3 more cars. My wife's gonna have to help me. She's not gonna be too happy about that, but she's at the shop currently right now. I'm gonna have to pull her from there, speed me up,
Saturdays I normally work by myself. For those that know, we out. Reyes is out, and we out.